Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start an ad campaign on the Waybien Ads Search Engine step by step. Let's get started. So first of all, head over to the Waybien Ads platform. Select I'm an advertiser and log in on your account or create a new account if you didn't have any. After you have registered, you click on My Campaigns, then click a new campaign. Choose here a clear campaign name, like for example, UK Dental Campaign. After that, set your budget, like $200. Then select your payment method, one-time or recruited monthly. After that, select your start date. The end date is optional. You can select it if you want, or you can leave it just like this. In this step, we're going to have to choose our platform that we want to place our ads on. So in this case, we will select Waybien Ads. So here I'm going to show you the interface of the Waybien Ads platform, so you can have an idea on what I'm talking about. Here you can see active ad campaigns that are now running on the platform, and hopefully yours will be active on the platform soon as well. So we go back and we click on Next. So now we create our ad. Start by giving your ad name, then write your title and the main ad text. Next, add your website URL. So we go to Waybien Ads, and we copy the URL of the site, and we paste it in here. Here you can see different reviews on how your ad will appear on the platform. For example, a homepage. So this is an example of how your ad could possibly appear for the viewers. The second one is the result page top, which is this way. And the third one is the result page site, which is this one. So in our case, we will select the third option, and we will add our visual. So we go to here and we select this one. Unlike other ad platforms, you don't need to select a call to action here. Users can simply click directly on the ad to visit your site. And I will show you an example. So if we go to the platform and we select this ad, so we just simply have to click on it and it directs us directly to the website. So now we go back to our platform and click on Next. Next, we move on to targeting, which is a key step in setting your campaign. Here you can define your audience by selecting the target country, language, topics, and keywords. So for the keyword, we choose dental, and for the daily ad spending limit, we can put in $20. For the audience selection, we can keep it on targeted audience, and then click on Next. So here is the preview page. This page gives us a preview of all the steps we have taken throughout this campaign creation process. You can review everything you did and make some adjustments by clicking on Edit if that's needed. Otherwise, if everything looks good, you can just agree to the terms of condition and privacy policy, and then click on Next to go to the payment page. So finally, guys, you proceed to the payment, enter your details, and confirm your campaign. Your campaign will be reviewed and will go live once it's approved like you see on this example here. So that's it, guys. Now you know how to create and launch an ad campaign on the Waybien Ads Search Engine. Very easy. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Take care.